is official Creality 3D printer. As a passionate Dungeons & Dragons player, you know that having high-quality miniatures can make all the difference in your gaming experience. And with the official Creality 3D printer, you can take your representations to the next level. This cutting-edge 3D printer boasts lightning-fast printing speeds of up to 250 mm per second, thanks to its standalone motors at each X/Y/Z axis and steel transmission shaft. Its advanced dual-gear direct extruder can handle a wide range of filaments, including PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS, ensuring you can bring your miniatures to life in stunning detail. With its all-metal cube frame, thick linear shafts, and extra gussets, the Creality 3D printer is incredibly stable and durable. It also features automatic bed leveling and a filament runout sensor, making it easy to use and reliable. The official Creality 3D printer is a top-of-the-line choice for Dungeons & Dragons enthusiasts who want to create stunning miniatures quickly. Its impressive speed, reliability, and high-quality results make it a must-have for any tabletop severe gamer. If you are interested in the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it.